Once you post the job into the job site, many candidates will apply to our job, and we can view the applied candidates from our RMS. Click requirements, then we can see the required job, which is software engineer. Click manage. In here we can see all those candidates who have applied for our job. We can even view their profiles by clicking edit or view profile. We can see their resume. We can even download their resume. The resume is downloaded. Then if you want to add any notes regarding the calls, we can add it over here. We can specify the call details what we discussed, or maybe we can specify that we called today, and that can be valuable information in the future. Once we add the note, the color changes to blue. Then there is also a consultant feedback which is provided from our end. After we provide that, color changes to blue. Then there are other options to reject and change job. Now we are going to shortlist this candidate. Once the candidate is shortlisted, we can see that candidate under candidate shortlisted, the name has appeared. Now let's schedule the interview by clicking the interview tab. Then specify all the required information. Select the interview date, time, and description if required. Then click save. Once you have done that, we can see that under interview schedule tab, the candidate has appeared. Then if you want to change it, we can click change. If he is selected for the interview, you can give a feedback over here and save it. Then the next step is under the candidate selected tab, we can see issue offer. Once we click that, the new window appears like this, and we can enter the offer details over here. And click save. Then a new tab is generated, which is offer letter issued for candidates below. Click accept if the candidate has accepted it. Specify the plan, joining date and accepted salary, total CTC, etc. Then a new tab is created, which is offer accepted. Then click on invoice to generate an invoice and specify the details of the invoice here, like invoice date, invoice start date, due date, replacement date, and invoice amount and invoice status. Click save. Then invoice against this job tab is created, and we can see that the status has changed. Also, we can send the resumes to the clients in a single click by doing this. Once a candidate is shortlisted, we can enable that radio button, checkbox, and click send to client. Then there is a email template which is automatically generated. Once you click save, the candidate profile will be sent to client and he can give a feedback.